Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya AUDITORIUM News.
Kuble phi baro kini kilo ki khubor bamta kasni. Takasa Japan ai ki Japan embassy haswa bastang ya ka program ya ka kong Ampareen do ba el hek ba Fedrick Kharkongor kani kasa ka pin iya ka jingeso alo ka culture Japan bila banyu iru ba ka kong Ampareen ka pung ki jaitura jo kinung Japan.
Am I expected to have all of this? All I will bring alone?
Yes, all I can share the same.
No.
I can finish this?
You can finish this.
All
but
right.
if it's too much, please feel free to
Finish. You cannot finish. I'm here to finish.
No, you have your own serving. Yes.
No. Delicious.
It's not too bitter.
Yeah, I think
It's not too bitter. It's good. It's good. Just the right amount. So this I put in my mouth, huh?
Yes.
Like that. Slowly.
A regular green tea drinkers.
but it's a little different from usual.
You have grounded it.
Yes.
We don't grind the leaf. So
This is called
we
From the embassy, we'll be serving Japanese green tea
What do you want us to do?
as a courtesy to our chief guest. Our guest of honor is here today. Can I hear the crowd a little louder?